limit for each limit if exists. As you see, some of the question or some of the limit will be does not exist, some of them exist. We will find the value if it exists. The first step all the time to solve any limit in math is to substitute. So substitute 2 here will be 4. Root of 4, 2 minus 2 will be 0. Divide. Substitute 2 here will be 4. Substitute 2 here will be 8. 4 plus 8, 12 minus 12, 0. So we need to solve it. Solve it. How? I think it's clear. Down we have factor and up we have conjugate. So we will multiply by conjugate. The conjugate of this will be the root of x plus 2 plus 2. Conjugate, we multiply it up and down. So first square minus second square. This is the conjugate how it's work. Square the first amount, which is x plus 2, minus second square, which is 4. Divide, let me factor this one and multiply it with this one, which is under the root x plus 2 plus 2. Now factor this amount down. So you can use the calculator, but here I will do it without calculator. The 12 is 4 times 3 and 6 times 2 since I have 4. So plus 6 minus 2 and x goes to 2. As we see up, we have plus 2 minus 4 together will be what? Minus 2. So x minus 2 up, down, I have x plus 6 and x minus 2, and the root of x plus 2 plus 2. This limit, x goes to 2. See with me, this will be cancelled. So 1 divided by, replace 2 here will be 8. Then multiply, replace 2 here will be 4. Root of 4 will be 2, 2 plus 2, 4. So the final answer will be 1 divide 32. This is the answer of this question. The second question, replace 0 sine 0, 0. Replace 0 tan 0, 0. 5 times 0, 0. So the final answer will be 0 over 0. As I say, solve it. We know that limit sine A, sine AX divide BX, x goes to 0 equal A over B. And we know that the limit of tan AX divide BX equal A over B, x goes to 0. This one and this one will help me a lot to solve this question. So limit, let me split it to be sine square for x plus tan for x square. Here, the square for the sine. Here, it's x square, not for the tan. And here, let me expand this one. The square will be here and here. So this will be 25 x square. And here, again, expand it 25 x square. So x goes to 0. This limit can be for here and here. For this one, it's a sine for x, because the meaning of a square, a times a. The meaning of sine square, sine times sine. This would be 25 and x times x. Again, the x square means x times x. And here, tan 4x square divide 25x square. Limit x goes to 0. See with me what will happen now. This amount, it's by using this rule and this same things. So this one will be 4 over 25 times this will be 4 over 1 plus this one, the same 4x squared, the same 25x squared. So we will use this one, a over b. So the final answer will be 4 over 25. 4 times 4, 16. 16 plus 4, 20 divide 25. You can simplify it if you want to. Keep it like this, it's fine. But you can simplify it as 4 over 5, or you can write 0.8 if you want. No need for this. This or this will be fine. Okay, one more time. The first step to solve any question will be substitute. Substitute. Oh, here it's minus infinity. So with minus infinity, it's a little bit different. So we take the highest power up and we take the highest power down. So this will give me 10x to the power 5 divide minus 2x to the power 4. Limit x goes to minus infinity. Then this will give me minus 5, you should see 10 over 2, x limit x goes to minus infinity. Substitute minus infinity here will be minus. Minus times minus will be plus infinity. This is one way to solve it. There is another way to solve this question, which is divide on the highest power in denominator. So this will be limit 10x to the power 5 plus x to the power 4 minus 13 divide by x squared minus 2x to the power 4 minus 6x. Now we divide everything here on the highest power in denominator. This is the highest power, minus 2x to the power 4 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 minus 2x to the power 4. Every time the power down greater than the power up, the answer will be 0. So this will give me 0, this will give me 0, this will give me 0. So here we still have minus 5x plus 1 divide, this will give me 1, limit x goes to minus infinity, x goes to minus infinity. Substitute minus infinity here, the answer will be plus infinity. This or that in the exam, no need to solve both, but I show you all the way. One of them will be enough. Substitute 3 here, we will get 0. Substitute 3 here, we got 9 minus 18 plus 9. So this will give me 0 over 0. 3 minus x divide, we should solve it. X minus 3 times x minus 3, limit x goes to 3. When we have x minus 3, 3 minus x, you know, we cancel them, but the answer is not 1 minus 1. So this will be minus 1 over x minus 3, limit x goes to 3. So now we substitute 3, the answer will be minus 1 over 0. So again, we should take it from left and right. And we know now the answer will be plus infinity, minus infinity, or does not exist. Let me start with x goes to 3 from right, then limit minus 1 over x minus 3, x goes to 3 from left. From right, greater than 3, so positive down, negative, so minus infinity. 3 from left, 2.99, negative divide negative would be positive infinity, so this limit, 3 minus x divide x squared minus 6x plus 9, x goes to 3 without left and right, as you see, different, so the answer will be DNP. That means does not exist. Substitute here, the 9 will give me 9. Substitute the 9 here will be 0. Substitute it here will be minus 18. So very easy. 9 minus, we say 0 over minus 18. Direct substitution. Equal 9 minus 0, which means 9. You see here, the minus 9, it's minus 18. 9 minus 9, 0. And we say many times 0 over any number except 0, because 0 over 0 solve it, but 0 over any number will be 0. So the answer will be 9. Substitute infinity here will be infinity. Minus, substitute infinity square will be infinity under the root infinity. So we should solve it again. Solve it. 3x minus the root of 9x squared plus 2x. We multiply it by the conjugate. 3x plus the root of 9x squared plus 2x, 3x plus the root of 9x squared plus 2x. Why we multiply the conjugate with infinity and minus infinity, as in this question, we can take the highest power, divide the highest power all the time. So that's why we can multiply by conjugate to make it rational function. So I can take the highest power, divide the highest power. Conjugate again, that's mean 9x squared, first square, second square, but there is a negative here, be careful. This negative sign should be for this and this. So 9x squared minus 2x. When I multiply the negative here, will be negative, negative, divided by 3x plus under the root 9x squared plus 2x. Limit x goes to infinity, limit x goes to infinity. This amount with this amount, one positive, one negative cancel, minus 2x divide the highest power here, you see 3x, and when I take this one out, will be 3x. So 3x plus, take this outside, will be 3x under the root. If I take this out, 1 plus 2x divide 3, 9x squared, x down greater than up, it's a 0. So 3x plus a 3x will be minus 2x divide 6x. Same power up and down, so the answer will be number minus 1 over 3. It's the final answer. Absolute value, substitute 1 here, 1. Substituted here, 5. Minus 6 will be 0. Substituted here, 1 plus a 3 minus 4, 0. 0 over 0. So limit. And now we have factoring, since we have absolute value. X minus a 3, x minus 2. And here I have x minus a 3, x minus 1. X goes to 1. Okay, you know, all the time if I have absolute value, I should take it from left and right. So if I want to take it left and right, why I factor it? It's easier to substitute with factoring than do it without factor. So this will be limit, and I'll make it 2 until absolute values. This one on x minus a 3, and this one on x minus 1. X goes to 1 from right, and limit x minus a 3, x minus a 3, x minus 2, x minus 1, x goes to 1 from left. Now, we know from our class that if I have absolute value, absolute without absolute value, substitute 1 positive, divide positive, same amount, positive, divide positive, the answer will be plus 1. Positive, because absolute value down, negative. Oh, I say 1, 1, so why I write minus a 3, where I did, oh, there is something wrong here. Minus a 3, minus 1, negative, negative, 3 and 2. I think there's something wrong where I did make a mistake, sorry. Where I did make a mistake. One more time. This minus 6, so, oh yeah, factoring this one, it was wrong, sorry. Because the 6, the 5, it's 5 and 1, and I make a mistake. Okay, sorry for that. Minus 5, minus 1. So this will be, again, I'm human, I can make a mistake. Minus 5, minus 1. So again, this is what? Come on. Minus 5 and minus 1. So again, one more time, sorry. This one equal, when I substitute 1 from right, positive, positive, so positive 1. Substitute from left, this will be negative, this will be positive, so minus 1. Complete this, substitute now 1 up would be minus 4, and absolute value will be 4. And down will be 1 minus a 3 minus 2. Here, substitute 1 from left will be minus 4, and absolute value will be 4. And down here will be minus 2, but the problem here, I multiply it by 1, and here I multiply by minus 1. So the final answer here will be 2, and the final answer here will be minus 2, sorry. This will be 2, so that's mean my limit here, no need to write it down to spend time, DNE. Okay, this was the answer of the question. Let me solve this one now for you. Take limit from left, take limit from right, because I have a piecewise function. 3 from left will be this function, 3 from right will be this function. So let me start with limit 3x minus 9 divide x squared minus 9, x goes to 3 from left. 3 outside, substitute first as usual. 9 minus 9, 0, 9, 9 minus 9, 0 over 0. Solve it. 3, x minus a 3, and x minus a 3, x plus a 3. This will be cancelled. So 3 over 3 plus a 3 will be 6, which means half. The limit from left, limit from right, no, sorry. 3 from right will be 1 over x minus 1 over 3. And here 3x minus 9. Substitute 3 here will be 0. Here 3, 0 over 0, so solve it. How we can solve this question? Multiplying, change the color, multiplying x, 3, denominators equal. 3 minus x divide 3x divide 3x minus 9 divide 1. You know how to solve this. 3 minus x, 3x multiply reciprocal. This one will be up, 3x will be down. Limit x goes to 3 from right, which means 3 minus x divide 3x times 3 times x minus a 3. This will give me minus 1 divide 9x, 9 times 3, 27. This 1 over 2, this 1 over minus 1 over 27. So here I can write what does not exist, different limits from left and right. Vertical and horizontal asymptote. Let us start with horizontal asymptote. Limit highest power, or let me write it first, 2x to the power 3 plus 4x squared plus 2x divide x to the power 4 minus 3x squared minus 4x squared equal limit x goes to infinity. Highest power up, 2x to the power 3, highest power down, x to the power 4, x goes to infinity, equal 2 over x, limit x goes to infinity. Until if I take it with minus infinity, the answer will be 0. So plus infinity and minus infinity, I can do it like this, plus minus infinity, plus minus infinity, plus minus. It's the same, y equals 0. HA is y equals 0. VA, it's a little bit harder, where we should solve this question, x squared, x to the power 4, sorry, minus 3x cubed, minus 4x squared equal to 0, x squared out, x squared minus 3, x minus 4 equals 0, x equals 0. From here, x equal minus 4, which means plus 4, and plus 1, this would be x equal minus 1. Now I should find the limit of x outside. This will be, by the way, if I factor x squared, I factor this one to be x plus 1 and x minus 4. The upper one, I can factor it. It's, if I take x outside, 2x squared plus, let me take 2x, it's easier for me to do it. You can use it in the exam with 5-3, no problem, but I don't have it. So x squared plus 2x plus 1. So that means 2x and x plus 1 and x plus 1. So 2x, x plus 1, x plus 1. X going to 0, limit x going to minus 1, limit x going to 4. X plus 1, x plus 1, x squared, x plus 1, x minus 4 until this one. 2x, x plus 1, x plus 1, and x squared, x plus 1, and x minus 4. For this one, we will substitute 0. This will be cancelled, 0 down, so n over 0 VA. Here, minus 1, this will be cancelled, so 0 over number will be not VA. For the last one, substitute for number over 0. This will be VA. So VA are x equals 0 and x equal 4. Here, different color, maybe red. The minus 1 will be vanished. And these two in green color, yes and yes. Question number 3, we have limit 2 plus h, so under the root 3 minus 2. Inside here, we replace 2 plus h minus the root of 2 here will be 6. 6 minus 2, 4. Dividing h goes to 0. Limit 2 times 3, 6. 6 minus 2, it's a 4. Plus a 3h, because the 3 will be here and here. Minus 2 divide h goes to 0. To solve this one, it's obviously that I should use the conjugate. Maybe different color to write the conjugate. Under the root 4 plus a 3h plus 2, root 4 plus a 3h plus 2. Now the answer of this will be without our square the first, square the second, divided by h, the root of 4 plus 3h plus 2, limit h goes to 0. Plus 2 minus 2 will be vanish, 4, 3h divide h, and 4 plus 3h under the root, plus 2. H with h will be vanished. Finally, we have 3 divide, substitute 0 here, root of 4 plus 2, root of 4, 2, 2 plus 2, 3 over 4 is the correct answer. The continuity, as you see here, I have the minus 1 and I have the 2 here between minus 1 and 2, ax plus 2b greater than 2, 1, and less than minus 1, 4. To be continuous everywhere, that means the limit at left and right minus 1 equal, the limit at the left and right 2 equal. So limit 4 equal limit ax plus 2b, x goes to minus 1 from left, x goes to minus 1 from right. Substitute, this will be 4. Substitute minus 1, this will be minus a plus 2b. Two variable, I cannot solve them, so we name this as equation number 1. Now the limit of ax plus 2b equal the limit of 1. Now x goes to 2, x goes to 2 from right, from left. Substitute 2 here. 2a plus 2b equal, substitute this will be 1. Again, two variable, one equation. We name this as equation 2. Equation 1 with equation 2 together, two equation with two variables, so we can solve them now. So 4 equal minus a plus 2b and 1 equal 2a plus 2b, subtract them. 4 minus 1, 3, minus 3a, 2 minus 2b, the answer will be 0. From here, we got a equal minus 1. Since a equal minus 1, I can replace it here from this equation, by the way. Then we will have 4 equal minus 1, 1 plus 2b. Flip this to the other side, is 3 equal 2b, b equals 3 over 2 or b equal 1.5. This is the value of a, this is the value of b. And the last question now, show that the following equation have at least one root, e to the power x minus 4 equal to 0. We name this as f of x continuous from minus infinity to infinity. This function is continuous, this function continuous, polynomial, exponential, so we don't have any problem. Substitute the easiest number in math. I believe the easiest number will be 0. Substitute 0, e to the power 0, 1 minus 0 minus 4. 1 minus 4 will be minus 3 less than 0. Then we can substitute 1, but minus 5 will still negative, e to the power 2.7. F of 2, f of 3, I don't know if f of 3 will be work. E to the power 3 minus 3 minus 4. Let me see, e to the power 3 equal what? E to the power 3 equal 20. I think 3 would be work, will be e to the power 3 minus 3 minus 4 equal this 20.08 minus 3 minus 4 equal positive amount 13.08, so greater than 0. We write here since f of x continuous and f of 0 times f3 less than 0, then by using IVT, f of x has solution at the interval from 0 to 3, where f of c equals 0. This c lie between 0 and 3 if you want. Up to here, at 0 to 3 will be enough, no need for this one. But it's fine if you write more accurate answer, it's much better. You see now everything is completely fine. Thank you. This was everything regarding the revision or the midterm sample.